everybody to Technical Tuesdays Volume 11. My name's Maya, also known as Maya_Astrofx on Instagram. I'm sorry if you can't understand my accent. I know it's quite strong, but bear with me. Just like to tell you a bit about my trading history. I was watching Desperate Housewives nearly maybe 2 years ago, and the same spam was popping up and up, disturbing my program, interrupting me, about how to make £1,000 a day, £2,000 a day, why you don't have to work. Well, that was me interested from there. I researched trading. I done my background information. I read books. I made an account. I lost the account. I lost money. It didn't go very well. I had probably about 6 weeks of bad trading. I was on Facebook one day. I come across the Astro Fx team, and I thought, what have I got to lose by asking them for a bit of help? I could see they were doing well, and I wanted to become more like them. So I asked for a bit of help, and basically they just taught me the ropes. They showed me how the market worked, how to be profitable, and cut a long story short, I now am a very profitable trader, doing very well for myself. Well, now let's get back to why I'm talking to you now. I've just been in the office for 3 days with the team preparing for our event on the 7th of September. I hope you're all coming in the Joys Inn in Birmingham. The first pair I'll be analysing is one of my favourites, the Euro USD, something I get a lot of questions about. So let's get started with the weekly time frame. It's hit here at 1.332 support, which also, as you can see here, is at the bottom of the clouds. I personally think it's going to keep falling down to the 1.3 level, or who knows, maybe even further to the 1.6 Fibonacci level. To me, I don't see any signs of reversal just yet, but I'm keeping my eye on the daily charts and 4-hour charts for candlestick formations, which may signal to me a change to a bullish trend. Basically, I've got a feeling it will drop to 1.3200 overall. Right, let's do the second most popular pair, the British pound to the US dollar, also known as cable, or as Nat likes to call it, the British Queen of Volatility. As the last Technical Tuesday points out, here we can see a major cloud resistance at 1.72. This is a really strong key level which looks to be holding tight. As you can see, last month the candle formed as a sexy shooting star, which we all know is a high reversal pattern, aka let's get selling. Now let's move our way down to the weekly time frame so we can get a better insight into where this pair might be heading. A weekly key level that has been passed at 1.67 allows us to now keep our eyes on the sell trades. Here, the moving average and the Keynesian crossing over is the downside, which is the first crossover since about August 2013. Basically, it's not looking good for the pound, aka a one-way trip to hell, or as I also would say, it's not doing very well. It's going to go, I'd say, all the way down to 1.65. Now, for the team's favourite pair, the Aussie dollar, I thought I'd come and show the boys a thing or two about how it's done. Okay, basically the pair's been trapped in a trading range since about April, and it's been bouncing around from about 0.92 to about 0.94, with mid-range now being tested as a strong resistance. Looks to me like it's been rejected by the range highs, and a downward turn is now inevitable. Upon closer inspection of the 4-hour chart, it's now clear that there appears to be a lower high forming. Now, let's get our line tool. From the bottom, which is 0.1, to what I am now calling 0.2, This forms a lovely counterline trend. Here you can see a bearish engulfing candle, which you can see now has broken the counter trend line. We are now waiting on the MA to cross over to smash our sell buttons, with our target being the daily range lows. And if all goes well, I'll be getting a fabulous new pair of Giuseppe's. Right, now that's it. The three pairs that I will be analysing today. Okay, now time to wrap this up. Overall this week the market hasn't really been doing much and it's been pretty slow. Okay, I hope everyone enjoyed this analysis and found it helpful from my perspective. And I hope to see everyone at the Astro Fx event on the 7th of September, where you can ask me personally anything you want to know, and I will be telling my story in more detail of my trading career. You can also add me on my Instagram for more information on Maya_Astrofx. My email's on there if you want to email me. Okay, that's enough for my technical Tuesdays. Thank you, and bye.